You wait for something to happen and then you respond as quickly and as methodically as possible based on your protocols. And so at the end of the day, they are always at the disadvantage, and it's on them plus technology. And then they have this whole department called glass and steel, right? Their glass and steel folks are the ones for putting up, bulletproof glass on a podium, for example. Steel would be the vehicles, and then they've got a lot of other tools in their arsenal that they can bring to bear. But the candidates don't typically get that. That's usually reserved for the president. The big piece for me was, where were the drones that day? The Secret Service drones, the law enforcement drones, the hired security force drone. Where is the drones?